free from the labor movement. And we must remember them. Must have their history. They were not people who had been appointed by government on various positions and they want to pretend to be labor leaders. Change is on. And Your Excellency, today's trade union movement has changed from agitation to scientific dialogue. That is why you don't hear us on newspapers. That is why you don't hear us fighting. We are busy with the employers in boardrooms, negotiating for good terms and conditions of service of our members. And Jacqueline is here. She can bear me a witness. In my own union, this year, I signed more than 44 CBAs to cushion workers from the cost of living. And some say, Atwoli, amekaa tu pale, hii mzee. Ni mzee wa ujuzi, mzee wa kisasa. We have moved from issues of advocacy, agitation, and so on to impress upon dialogue between us and employers. And Your Excellency, nowadays, because of